Hello and thank you for watching this Biz Boom Apps demo. Today we're going to demo the Behind the Bench Basketball Wives Association demo of the mobile app. This is Brian S. Harris, founder and CEO of Biz Boom Apps. Okay, here you have the brief demo of the Behind the Bench mobile app. Of course, this is a demo and we created a nice, beautiful design that displays the actual logo of the Behind the Bench, as well as pictures that we gathered from the website. So this design can actually be interchangeable. It can slide, it can rotate. One of the main things that we also point out to nonprofit organizations is that you can sell the space on the front of this app, that where the screens can actually slide and rotate in and out, and if people click on those screens, etc., it could take them to your sponsors page, etc., which of course generates revenue for your nonprofit, for them to get exposure to people that view your app on a daily basis. One of the things that we integrated inside of this app, if I click the tab button below, is a tab function that allows people to chat and put up messages like a fan wall. We call it social chatter, allowing them to post messages by clicking this little button here, and they'll see a stream of various messages that people are uploading, etc. Kind of like your own inside social media. Below here we also have a row of tab buttons. If I click on the Behind the Bench Events tab, it'll pull up events that you've uploaded from our easy do-it-yourself friendly back office that allows you to see various events that you may have available, turn-by-turn GPS directions to the event. People can let you know if they're going by clicking the I'm going event, and they can even share this event with various people through Facebook, Twitter, SMS, text message, etc. And there's a nice pretty logo and banner maybe of the event, or even of a sponsor of the event, that of course gives them more advertisement and of course generates more dollars for the nonprofit. This little plus button here allows you to actually click the to make it available for a reminder in your app. It allows you to get more and more information about events so that you don't forget about it. It'll automatically place the reminder in your phone. As I come back to the front of the screen, I can click on the BTB videos, and what this does is show various videos that you may have uploaded on your YouTube channel if you have one, allowing people to see commercials that you want to advertise about your organization, or even various events that you may have had that you may have videoed from your phone or smart phone device or pad, etc., that you've uploaded to your YouTube channel. And any event that you've or any video that you've uploaded will actually be the first video, and they can click play, etc. They can see the most popular videos and even the most recent videos that have been uploaded, allowing them to engage on a visual standpoint of everything on the go. One of the main things that we pointed out is that you can actually, everything that you have to offer from your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your YouTube, you no longer have to say like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Instagram, go to our website. You can just simply say one thing, and inside this one uniform app portal, people can click an app on their phone and access all of those various mediums or outlets that you have available. One of the most important things about the nonprofit is it gives you the ability to click one tab and it takes them to your donation page. Of course, we can integrate any donation portal or medium that you use to collect donations, from PayPal, GiveLaFly, you name it, we can integrate it. And it'll be nicely and neatly displayed in your mobile app. If you click on the More tab, various things from you can actually have sponsors that are in the area. We can actually have pinpoints set up of sponsors to where they can click on it and get more information about that specific sponsor, and then it can take them turn by turn GPS guidance to those sponsors. We have an About Us tab that allows you to see more information about the organization, maybe a history of the staff, the executive directors, etc. Lastly, or not lastly, but next, the gala tickets. People can actually click on a button inside of the app and purchase tickets to various events that you may have. And so they no longer have to, once again, search through various sites or go to a specific place. They can go straight to your app and get access to that. We have an exclusive gallery that allows them to nicely and neatly scroll through the gallery to see various pictures that you've uploaded maybe on Instagram. It'll automatically feed into the app. This push notification storage, it stores up messages that you may have sent out on a push notification message. allowing you to engage with your customer even more. I'm going to talk more about that in just a second. This social media tab actually allows you to one touch click of a button take users to your Facebook or your Twitter page. So they no longer have to know exactly what your Facebook page is. It's facebook.com slash, well, you'll no longer have to have that issue. They can just go inside your app, click Facebook, and it'll open right up to your Facebook, Twitter page, or your other social media pages. You can collect names, numbers, emails, addresses, etc. of individuals that are using your app. It'll automatically give them the opportunity to enter in that information. And here's one nice, cool feature that we thought would be cool to show you the type of technology that we have available. This is a voice recorder tab. If I wanted to take notes or use this as a way for me to send a message, voice recorded message to others, I can click this recorder button on my phone, and it'll automatically store the message, and it'll give me the opportunity to share this message via email, text message, etc. with others. And of course, a contact tab button. Now let me show you the back office and how extensive it is, and how this technology can literally take your organization to the next level. Okay, once you are ready to go to the back office to even manage and update your app, you can actually click on the client login. Once you click on the client login, it'll take you to this screen here, and you can type in your username and password associated with your mobile app provided by Biz Boom Apps. Now, once you're logged in, you'll actually see this screen here, the functionality tab, and you'll be glad to know that anything from steps 1 through 3 can actually be changed and updated instantly in your app. So you don't have to call the developers to see how to change something. Let's just say you say, Brian, I want to move the donation tab to be the first tab and not the second tab. You just simply drag it, drop it, and you'll notice that it says it's changed. That's all it takes to do it. You can edit the names of the tab functions by simply clicking on edit and changing the name of the tab function, choosing the icon, making sure it's active. And you'll be glad to know that we have over 63 different types of tab functions, and of course we can go into details with those, which ones that we feel would best fit inside your app. Save the changes, and automatically that tab function is now active on your mobile app. Of course, you can actually edit these various tab functions. Let's just say the events tab, and all of the editing is very similar. If I wanted to add a single event, I can add a pretty nice little header for my sponsor who paid to be in this particular section of the app. You can price it out. I want to charge this much to be on this page, this much to be on this page, and really drive up the sponsorships of your apps. You can schedule, put in the schedule of the events, when it is, what time it is, etc., the time zone. You can type the title of the event. You can type information in just like a Word format, utilizing that, and also the address of the event. Type it in there, save it, and of course that information is stored in the app, and it's in there, and it'll automatically update in the app. You can also create recurring events, which means that you don't have to sit there and type in an event every single time. If it's a weekly event, a monthly event, a quarterly event, a yearly event, you can do it one time and set the recurring dates. The image gallery. The image gallery actually allows you to connect to your Flickr, Picasso, or custom or Instagram images, allowing you to simply click on it and connect to your Instagram, and any pictures that you upload to Instagram will automatically feed to your app. So if there's a behind the bench Instagram page or Picasso or Flickr account, you can actually connect those accounts, and you'll be glad to know that those pictures will automatically feed to your app. Now let's talk about the most powerful feature available to you with our platform, which is what we call the push notifications. The push notifications allow you to actually send out messages to the app users. What that means is anyone that has the app on their phone and has it downloaded on their device will actually receive this message. Reminder about the event tomorrow. Make sure you support, etc., etc., etc. I can connect to Facebook and Twitter simultaneously and send out this one message. In addition to going to the app, I can see how many people actually are accessing this app with their location, if their location is turned on their phone. But even if it's not, if they have the app on their phone, they'll receive this message. But here's the game changer feature of the year. One of them, the second game changer feature of the year. If I wanted to actually type in an address, in target market or region. Let's just say you're having an event in the Memphis, Tennessee area and you wanted to expand over the whole area. You'll be glad to know that anyone that's in this target radius will receive this message. And why is this good? Because this message may not apply to your New York base, meaning you wanted to thank the Memphis people that showed up to the Grizzly game and supported the behind the bench movement or organization, and you say, Memphis, we thank you. You can send out a message to all of the users in the Memphis area, target marketing, and that means that everyone that has the app on their phone in that area will receive that message. But more importantly, you have the opportunity to send off what we call geofence messages. And how that works is, let's just say you are having an event in this area or any area. You can create as many messages as you like. You can actually rope off a barrier that allows them to send out a predetermined message. What does that mean? If I have the app on my phone and I walk, crawl, or drive through this barrier, the predetermined message that was set over here would actually pop up on my phone once I enter into this barrier. So as I cross over the Mississippi Bridge to enter into Memphis, you may say, behind the bench welcomes you to Memphis, Tennessee. Remember, we're having an event at the FedEx Forum. We look forward to seeing you. Have an absolutely wonderful day. You're literally 1 mile away from the FedEx Forum, etc. You can say whatever you want to say there. And also, you can drive the app user to whatever tab function that you want, meaning when they click the push notification that comes on their phone or device, you can take them to a specific website. You can take them to a specific tab function inside the app, meaning if you wanted them to donate or participate, you can actually make them see the donation page when they click the push notification. It'll open up to that particular page. And also, lastly, you can click on choose offers. And if there's a sponsor that you want to honor or give advertisement to, you can send out a push notification, and this beautiful picture that you upload here, you can type in a message, sponsored by, a longer message here, and that's what will pop up on the user's phone. And of course, you can send out messages and schedule them immediately or send them out immediately. And that's how the push notification system works. Lastly, you can view analytics, who's clicking on what, a help desk 24/7, and also support from Biz Boom Apps. And more importantly, the QR code, allowing people to scan a QR code in various publications that you put out, in magazines, newspapers, websites, etc. You can have this QR code published everywhere, or banners, offline marketing material, and if they scan it, they'll be able to put the app on their phone. Once again, this has been Biz Boom Apps. You can visit bizboomapps.com to take a look more at what we have to offer and the products and services, but as well, we thank you for the opportunity to allow us to do this demo, and we look forward to working with the Behind the Bench organization very soon. You have an absolutely wonderful day, and thank you for your time.